Hi guys, today we are going to show you how to replace the oven door hinges of Ilve oven door. So this is a broken hinges, so we need to replace it. First we need to unscrew the screws. So these are the screws we have in this doors at the moment. So first we are going to take the glass out, so we need to take these two screw out. Now we are going to take the glass out slowly, and to be careful is we need to put the glass back in the order, otherwise the glass can be break with the heat. So now we are going to take the second glass out, and while putting the glass make sure you put in the same order and same side. So this glass is a little bit hard to take out, so be careful, push upward slowly. And now we are going to take the hinges. So to do that we take this screw out, you can see the door hinges which is faulty. Now we take the door hinges. First, to take it we take this screw and then we pull upward. So these are the new hinges, we are going to replace it. So now we are putting on the same order. Put the screw back, and make sure the steel is shown outward. So sometimes we make a mistakes of hiding that steel, that will make the imperfect. And do not screw tightly, make it loose, so that when we put the glasses in, it will be perfect for us. So now we are doing same for the other side, which is pretty same and pretty easier. It's the same process, so you can skip if you don't like to watch it. Now we are doing the reverse order. Now we put back the hinges and then screw back. So remember, this time also not so tight, little bit firm. So that we can put the glasses back and then manage it. So after this, now we are going to take this steel, so the steel frame for the glass, so this one we can make it tighter. So you see why we did not put the screws tight before. So this is the clip for the glasses, so you can just rearrange and make it better, because while we take the glasses out, it would have like slightly coming out. So now we are going to put back the glasses in the same order where we put it out on the same side. So remember, this is the most important thing for you. Now you can tighten the screws which were loose before. Make sure all the screws were tight. And now we put the final glass back in and make sure it is lined up properly with that little bit of metal frame, sorry, steel frame. And then put the final piece back. After placing this glass, the final step to do is you need to put the hinges in the open position. So to do that, first you need hold the hinges towards down and make sure the clip over there, look at there, is the clip over there should be in locked position so that you can put your door back. So you should do same thing on the other side. And make sure, if you're happy, please subscribe and like us. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you very much guys, and see you next time.